Have you been searching for the perfect SUV with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2018 Nissan Pathfinder S in Glacier White. With HID headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, brake assist, rear window wiper and washer, front bucket seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 43,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, split folding rear seats, third row seating, 3.5-liter V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number D6082A.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.